Welcome back to another video. So I've had a box sent over from KREDIOO. So this is an e-file. It's a desktop e-file. So these are available on Amazon. They've got quite a few e-files, KREDIOO have. So I'm just going to get into the box. So it's got a big thick booklet of all different languages. Cool. So let's have a look what we got. What's in the box? I'll leave all details and everything in my description box. So this is the handpiece. It's been a while since I've done a video on an e-file, hasn't it? It's pink. Oh, this feels nice. This does feel nice. I love that colour. It's like a really nice rosy pink metallic. Isn't it beautiful? My lights are a bit shit today, aren't they? That's better. There we go. Look at that colour. Right, and I can see already we've got a twist lock mechanism. Love that. It's got the safety bit in it. So it comes with some sanding bands. Looks like there's a mixture in there of fine, medium and coarse. Yeah, there's definitely a mixture of all three. Yeah, there's a mixture. Can you see? That's fine, that's medium, and that's coarse. So it looks like there's 30 in there, so I think you're going to get 10 of each, aren't you? And then we've got some of these. I love these. These, the little rubber silicone things, these are to slide onto your drill bits. I'll show you in a minute. And it's to stop dust getting down inside there. I like that it's come with a pack of them. And obviously I've got a UK plug. So shall we just have a look at the actual e-file itself? We'll get some scissors. Right, let's have a look. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So it's like a pink shimmery, can you see it? It's got like a shimmer on it. So we've got the KREDIOO branding. So your e-file sits in the top of there. It's got reverse and forward, I can see already. So shall we plug it in and have a look? Right, so the plug gets plugged into... Right, the plug gets plugged into that bit where it says input. I'm just gonna get rid of this because my camera doesn't like it. It prefers the blitz paper. Yeah, so the plug goes in where it says input, and then the handpiece goes in where it says motor. Oh gosh, that's tight. Right, so it's got a pause button as well, so that when you want to stop for a minute, you don't have to turn it all the way back down to 0. You can just pause it, and then when you're ready to start again, press play. So let's have a look. Let me just take the handpiece out for now. So straight away, it's flashing, but it doesn't flash off camera. It just does that on camera. They always do that. So straight away I can see it's on forward. So let's have a listen. I'm going to turn it up to 10. I always feel like they're going to take off. So straight away I can feel cool air coming out of these vents. Right. So how do we get it onto reverse mode? I think we just press this touch screen, don't we? Yes. See, it's gone into reverse. Press it again. And it goes into forward. Right, cool. So, I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to get my dust collector out. And I'm going to get these took off. Guys, I totally forgot to show you. It comes with these as well. How cool are they? So they're like multi-chrome. You've got your bit that you put your sanding band on. And then it's got like a little flame bit, ball bit, a couple of other little cuticle bits. So these are diamond bits. I love them. They're so cool. So I've pulled out to use... This is what I normally use to take my nails off. So I'm just going to stick to something that I normally use. and this is just a ceramic medium barrel bit. Can you see I've already got pink things on mine? That's what these are that came free with this. Just little rubbery silicone things. So let's open this. So you turn it to the left till it clicks to pull that out. When you're not using your drills, always make sure you keep that in and it stops it getting damaged. So I'm going to stick that back in and then again twist it the other way. My hands are so greasy till it locks and clicks. Cool. Right, are we ready? What I'm going to do first is I'm just going to get these little gemmy bits off. These are old snippers that I use just for gemmy bits. Yeah, so I'm just going to get these off first. Right, so let's go guys. So I am going to put it on. Normally I have it between 12 and 15, literally. That's all you should need. If it's a 35,000 RPM e-file and it actually is what it says on the box, you shouldn't really need anything higher than that, really. So yeah, just 12 we're going to have it on. I've got it in forward motion. This is so awkward under the camera. I think I'm just going to do my thumb because it's the easiest one for me to get to. So I'm going to have to put some music on or something because it's going to get noisy. Yeah, this is fine. I can tell already this is not a fake 35,000 RPM. I can tell already. It's cutting through that, no stuttering, no stopping. Brilliant. I'm just going to pause it because I totally forgot to take the length down on these. Oh shit. I'm really sad to see these nails go, guys. I loved them. Right, let's carry on. Yeah, this is definitely not a fake 35,000 RPM, I can tell. So, I'm going to press play. I love that play and pause button, so you don't have to mess about getting it on the right speed again. Right guys, that is them all took off. I thought I'd just take them all off whilst I was at it. So I'm going to give myself a nice little manicure now off camera. Get rid of all this dead skin and yeah, get my nails ready for another set. But as for this KREDIOO e-file, yeah, I am well impressed. Look, it's still on pause. I love that. You don't have to mess about turning it down to turn it off. Yeah, brilliant. I absolutely love it. Really impressed with it. Really powerful. Like I said, it worked just like my expensive one does. It whipped them off in no time. So yeah, if you're out looking for an e-file, I definitely recommend it. And it looks good, doesn't it? It doesn't take up that much room either on your desk. It stands quite tall, doesn't it? I love it. I love the little multi-chrome bits that it comes with. This is a nice touch as well to stop dust getting in your handpiece. And your sanding bands. Is that everything it came with? Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I'm well impressed. I will leave links below. Like I said, they have got 2 or 3. They've got a portable version as well that's rechargeable. And they've got a couple of other desktop ones that are quite fancy pants. But yeah, I will leave all links in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. We're going to do something with these in my next video. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.